Okay. Voice and Data, thank you very much for making CISCO part of Telecom Leadership Forum. I know we started this journey together 5 years back, and I think year over year it's going leaps and bounds. We just finished a roundtable which is called Captain Roundtable, and I was so happy to see that while we talk about the challenges in our industry, the challenges in the skills of the people, the challenges with companies, but the captains of this industry are bullish about the future of India. I personally feel that we in India are in a sweet spot of growth in India. Primarily because if you see the macro indices, we are growing to a 600 million middle class society, which will have more than $8,000 per capita income. We are the largest democracy with more than 7% growth, and our average age is 28 years. With this mix of macroeconomics, which puts us at a sweet spot of growth, digital disruption is happening. And we see that not that companies are embracing digital to work on the cost or on the IT, but now digital is strategic to their growth, and it is pivotal of the strategy and the vision. This industry sets us up for driving them to the digital journey which we want to take them to. And I can't think any other industry better equipped and better experienced than the current industry which we are in. We have come a long way over the last 2 or more decades in telecom, but we have still a long way to go. I see that the complexity of technology is going much more than which we expect to. I know we have a habit to romanticize with technology, but we see the complexity going up. We see this time to value going up. We see that the skills required are much more than what we had been doing earlier. I think as an industry, this sets up to define our part in the next 4 to 5 years. And for me, the key indices for those part is how do we drive with customers, what does customer wants as the pivotal part to it. We can leverage the technology, which we are talking about, the cloud native technology. We leverage the technology of automation analytics. We leverage the technology of 5G. But at the end of the day, it is all about us. How do we come closer to what customer requires, and how do we together create value for those customers and capture value from our customers, which was very different in the earlier business models. And as business models keep disrupting, as we move on, way we will capture value from the customers is going to be much different than where we have been doing right now. It is up to us to keep thinking about digitization, and that will be much more disruptive than what internet did to us. So let's take this journey together, and we at CISCO are very humbled and very experienced to take along this journey with everyone. Thank you for this time.